subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new budget smartphone called Lava Blaze NXT with quite premium looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone.
The Lava Blaze NXT features a 6.5-inch HD+ IPS display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports an AI-featured triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes one 13-megapixel main camera along with the 2-megapixel secondary lens and a VGA sensor. Under the hood, the Lava Blaze NXT comes powered by MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 3GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an 5-megapixel sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.75 by 76.3 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 203.5 grams.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone.
The Lava Blaze NXT has been priced at 9,299 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale starting from December 2nd in glass blue, glass red, and glass green color options.
So what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze NXT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.